Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Hello. How are you today?
I hope you are having a great day.
Today, we have a fun topic, a very useful topic too.
Yes, today we are going to the mall.
The mall. I love the mall.
Me too. Shopping, food, movies, everything is there.
So today, we will learn English words and phrases you can use at the mall.
This is very practical English. You can use it in real life.
If you are cooking right now, that's okay. Just listen.
If you are driving, don't worry. Just listen to our voices.
You don't need to write anything. Just relax and listen.
We will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word.
And don't forget, if you enjoy this video,
Please click like.
and subscribe to our channel.
It helps us make more videos for you.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to the mall.
Let's go! Okay, Alice, imagine we just arrived at the mall.
Okay, I'm ready. Where do we park the car?
Good question. First, we need to find a parking spot.
A parking spot. That means a place to park the car.
Good question. First, we need to find a parking spot.
Parking spot.
Parking spot.
Okay, I found a parking spot. Now what?
Now we walk inside. We can say, let's go inside.
Let's go inside.
Or we can say, let's head inside.
Let's head inside. I like that phrase. It sounds cool.
Haha, yes, head inside just means go inside.
Okay, we are inside the mall now. Wow, it's so big.
Yes, big malls can be confusing. That's why there is a map.
A map? Like a paper map?
Sometimes paper, sometimes a big map on the wall. It's called a directory.
A directory. That's a new word for me.
Yes, directory means a list of all the shops with a map.
Directory. Directory. Okay, I will remember that.
Good. Now, imagine you don't know where a shop is. What do you say?
I can say, "Excuse me, where is the shoe store?"
Perfect. Excuse me, where is? This is a very important phrase.
Excuse me, where is?
Excuse me, where is?
Let's say it one more time, slowly.
Excuse me, where is the shoe store?
Excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Haha, good example. Everyone needs to know that one.
Yes, this is very important. Very, very important.
When someone asks you a question like this, how do you answer?
You can say, "It's over there."
Yes, it's over there. Simple and clear.
It's over there.
Or you can say, it's on the second floor.
Oh, second floor. That means upstairs, right?
Yes, exactly. First floor is downstairs. Second floor is upstairs.
Got it. First floor, second floor.
Let's imagine a small conversation now. I will ask, you will answer, okay?
Okay, let's try.
Excuse me, where is the food court?
It's on the second floor, next to the movie theater.
Perfect. Next to means beside, close to something.
Next to. The food court is next to the movie theater.
Great job! You are learning fast today.
Thank you, Teacher David. Haha.
Okay, let's go to a clothing store now.
Yes, I want to buy a new shirt.
Good idea. When you walk in, sometimes the worker says, "Can I help you?"
Can I help you?
Yes, and you can answer, "No thank you, I'm just looking."
I'm just looking. I like this phrase. It's very useful.
Yes, very useful. When you don't need help yet, just say, "I'm just looking."
I'm just looking. I'm just looking.
But if you do need help, you can say, "Yes, please, I'm looking for a shirt."
I'm looking for a shirt.
Or, "I'm looking for a size medium."
Size medium. What about small and large?
Good question. Small, medium, large. S, M, L.
Small, medium, large.
In some countries, they use numbers too, like size 8, size 10.
I see. Okay, let's practice a real conversation.
Okay, I will be the shop worker. You be the customer.
Okay, ready.
Hello, can I help you today?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a blue shirt.
Sure, what size do you need?
Medium, please.
Okay, here you go. Do you want to try it on?
Try it on? What does that mean?
Try it on means you put on the clothes to see if they fit.
Oh, I understand now. Try it on.
Yes, so do you want to try it on?
Yes, I want to try it on.
Perfect. Then you go to the fitting room.
Fitting room. Is that the small room to change clothes?
Yes, exactly. The fitting room, sometimes called changing room.
Fitting room. Changing room. Same thing.
Yes, same meaning, different words. Both are correct.
Okay, I go inside the fitting room and I try on the shirt.
How does it fit? Is it too big, too small, or just right?
Let's learn these words. Too big.
Too big. That means bigger than you need.
Too small.
Too small. That means smaller than you need.
Just right.
Just right means perfect. Not too big, not too small.
I like just right. It sounds happy. Haha.
Haha, yes. When something is just right, it makes you smile.
Okay, let's repeat these 3 phrases together.
Too big.
Too big.
Too small.
Too small.
Just right.
Just right.
Great! Now imagine the shirt is too small. What do you say to the worker?
I can say, do you have a bigger size?
Perfect. Do you have a bigger size?
Do you have a bigger size?
And if it's too big?
Do you have a smaller size?
Excellent! You are doing amazing, Alice.
Thank you. This is fun. I feel like I'm really shopping.
Okay, now let's talk about money. This is very important at the mall.
Yes, prices, prices, prices.
First, how do you ask the price of something?
How much is this?
Yes, very simple, very common. How much is this?
How much is this?
Or, how much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
Let's practice. I will be the worker again.
Okay.
Hello, welcome.
Hi. How much is this shirt?
This shirt is $15.
Wow, that's cheap.
Haha, yes, cheap means low price, not expensive.
Cheap. And the opposite is
Expensive.
expensive. Okay, cheap and expensive. Opposite words.
Right. Let's say them together. Cheap.
Cheap.
Expensive.
Expensive.
Now, sometimes things are on sale. Do you know this phrase?
On sale? I think it means cheaper than normal.
Yes, perfect answer. On sale means the price is lower for a short time.
On sale. I love things on sale.
Me too. Everyone loves a good sale.
So if a shirt is normally $30, but now it's $20,
We say, it's on sale.
it's on sale.
Now, let's learn about paying. After you choose your clothes, you go to the…
The cashier.
Yes, the cashier. The person who takes your money.
Cashier. Cashier. Okay.
The cashier might ask, how would you like to pay?
How would you like to pay?
And you can answer, cash please, or card please.
Cash or card? Simple answers.
Yes, very simple. Let's do a full conversation now.
Okay, let's try.
That will be $20. How would you like to pay?
Card, please.
Okay, here is your receipt. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
Perfect. And receipt is the paper that shows what you bought.
Receipt. I always forget this word. Receipt.
It's okay. It's a tricky word. The P is silent.
Oh, really? So we don't say the P sound?
Correct. Receipt, not receipt with a hard P sound.
Receipt. Receipt. Got it. Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome, student Alice. Okay, now my favorite part, the food court.
Yes, I'm getting hungry just thinking about it.
Me too. So, at the food court, there are many small restaurants.
Yes, pizza, burgers, noodles, everything.
Right. So first, how do we order food?
We can say, I would like a pizza, please.
Yes, I would like is a polite way to order.
I would like a burger, please.
I would like a coffee, please.
This phrase is very useful, not just at the mall, also at restaurants.
Exactly. You can use it anywhere.
Let's repeat it slowly. I would like
I would like.
a sandwich, please.
Great. Now, the worker might ask, for here or to go?
For here or to go. What does that mean?
For here means you eat inside the restaurant.
Ah, and to go means you take the food with you.
Exactly. To go is also called takeaway in some countries.
For here or to go. For here or to go.
Let's practice a full conversation at the food court.
Okay, I'm ready. I'll order this time.
Okay, I'll be the worker. Hello, welcome. What would you like?
I would like a burger and fries, please.
Sure, for here or to go?
For here, please.
Okay, that will be $8.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your number is 15. We will call your number.
Oh, call your number? What does that mean?
At many food courts, they give you a number. When your food is ready,
They say the number out loud.
yes, exactly. Like, number 15, order 15, ready.
Oh, I understand now. That's smart.
Yes, very common in food courts around the world.
Okay, let's repeat some food words too. Burger,
Burger,
fries,
fries,
pizza,
pizza,
noodles.
noodles.
Great! Now everyone knows some food words too.
Yes, and remember, if the food is really good, you can say,
This is delicious.
yes, delicious means very, very good taste.
Delicious, delicious. I love this word.
Me too. Let's use it in a sentence. This pizza is delicious.
This coffee is delicious.
Perfect. Now let's talk about something funny. Sometimes we make small mistakes.
Oh, yes. I remember my first time speaking English at a store.
Really? What happened?
I wanted to ask, how much is this? But I said, how much I am.
How much I am. That sounds like you're asking your price.
I know. The worker looked so confused.
That's okay. Everyone makes mistakes when learning.
Yes, mistakes help us learn. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Exactly. If you make a mistake at the mall, don't worry.
People are usually very kind and patient.
Yes, And you can always say, "Sorry, my English is not perfect."
Sorry, my English is not perfect.
Or, "Can you say that again, please?"
Can you say that again, please?
This is a great phrase when you don't understand.
Yes, very useful. Can you say that again, please?
Or, "Can you speak slowly, please?"
Can you speak slowly, please? I use this phrase a lot.
Me too, when I was learning a new language.
It's okay to ask people to speak slowly. Most people understand.
Yes, don't feel shy. Everyone was a beginner once.
That's true. Even we were beginners at some point.
Exactly. So please, don't be afraid to speak.
Speak with confidence, even if you make mistakes.
Confidence is more important than perfect grammar.
I agree completely.
Okay, now it's time for you to practice.
Yes, we will ask some questions. You can answer out loud.
Don't be shy. Talking out loud helps you remember better.
Question 1. What is your favorite store at the mall?
Take a moment and answer out loud. My favorite store is...
Question 2. What do you like to eat at the food court?
Answer with, I like to eat.
Question 3. Do you like shopping or do you like watching movies at the mall?
Take your time, no rush.
This is a safe place to practice. No one is judging you.
Yes, we are just friends, practicing English together.
Okay, let's repeat some key phrases one more time, nice and slow.
Excuse me, where is...
I'm just looking.
Do you have a bigger size?
How much is this?
I would like a burger, please.
For here or to go?
This is delicious.
Great job, everyone. You are learning so fast.
Yes, I'm proud of you. Keep practicing every day.
Even 5 minutes a day can help a lot.
That's right. Small steps every day make big progress. Okay, everyone. That's our mall conversation for today.
I hope you learned some new words and phrases.
Remember, practice makes progress, not perfect.
Yes, don't worry about mistakes. Just keep speaking.
If you enjoyed this video, please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel for more English lessons.
We upload new videos every week with real-life conversations.
Now, tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite food at the food court?
We really want to know. Write it in the comments below.
We read every comment, so don't be shy.
Thank you so much for watching today.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.
Bye-bye.